Okay, Thomas Bartke at jvlaunchsecrets.com, and this is the third video in this series. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a product content page in OptimizePress. In this case, for this example, we're using a PLR product that pretty much just we're using it unchanged. This is the parent page that we've created in the previous video, and now we're going to go back and create the child pages for it. All right, so we're just going to start again from scratch with a blank new page. Just going to call it Write in Public course, Publish course. So now let's start again. Before we go too deep into content, let's start again by setting the parent and the template. So the parent is now the thing, the page that we've created just before. So we're going to find that here. That can sometimes be a little tricky because it seems like sometimes there's not much of a order or organization to how they come up here, what kind of order they come up. So you may have to scroll through a bunch of pages, and here it is. Write and publish your own books. Okay, this is the main page. All right. So we've set the parents page. Now let's choose the right template. On the templates, we want to go to Members One Content. Okay. Before, the other one was Members One Module. Now we're going to use Members One Content. Now there are two. There's free DIP and WL, and then there's WP secured. They're different. You use this one if you don't want to use any kind of membership plugin, but you do want to have those pages secured. And WP secured means it's just simply secured by making the user sign up and register as a subscriber in WordPress through the WordPress system. So if you want to do that, you use this template. If you want to use either keep this membership page unsecured or free, or if you want to secure it with Digital Access Pass or with Wishlist member, then you choose this one. In this case, we're just going to go with this one. But again, the main point is this is a members content page and not a members module page. All right, good. So now here, I'm going to want to set this up kind of the same way as before. We're just going to use the same graphic here, the same product image. We've already uploaded that, so we're just going to grab that from the media library in WordPress. I think that's the one. Yeah, that is the one. Again, we're going to click None on the link URL and then Insert into Post. We're probably going to make this one a little bit smaller than on the previous page. So now here we want to create, not so much of a teaser, but more like the copy should be more like something to instantly get them going. Day 1, day 2, day 3. This is kind of a really lame sales copy, sales letter, but let's think about this a bit. Why don't we do this here? Let's copy it into this area here. how to write and publish your own books. Shows you how to go from idea to complete book proposal in 7 short days. Imagine in 7 days you could be sending your proposal to agents and editors. The ebook includes everything you need to know. Just follow easy steps, and it includes a sample proposal which got contract from an agent immediately after it was sent out. Download the course below. Start right now. Download the course below. Okay, great. I like that. That's good. And now we're going to put the actual PDF file on here. And here's the way that we're going to do that in OptimizePress. We're going to have we're going to use the membership area, download area. Okay, we go in here. This is one of the icons, shortcode icons. Add custom shortcode in OptimizePress. If you click on that icon here on the right, you can scroll down and kind of get a visual impression of the different shortcodes. What we want to put in here is a membership downloads box. Okay, so you click that one, select that one, and then go all the way down to the bottom, click Add to Page. And then, so what you see here is an open tag and a close tag. And before the close tag, this is where we want to insert the actual download item. We have to check on the formatting later to see if this is already below the image here. If it's not, then we need to apply a little tweak here. I'll show you that if we have to. So let's go for first here and get it done. Again, you click on Add Custom Shortcode, and this time we want to add a members download item. Here, it's right behind. You see, this is the members download box, so we just added members download item, and there are different types of items, and the only difference is they have, you know, the pre-made icon is different. Mind Manager, Word document, Excel spreadsheet document, PowerPoint document, all kinds of different documents type, zip file, and in our case it's an ebook in PDF format, so we're just going to choose membership download item PDF. Add that to page. So that's kind of the template layout of the page. Actually, let's go over and publish this right now and take a look at it to see what the components are and how the formatting looks the way we have it. Let's view the page. Okay, so this looks really good, right? It's this page here, and here's this little description, and here is the download box. This is the members area download box, and then inside that box here is that PDF download item that we've added. You can add a bunch of download items here, and they'll all show up one below the other. And that way you can make it more fancier. Now this is a pretty simple product. It just has this one download, so this is all we need. Now there are a few things. You can change this here. You can edit this text if you want to. You can edit this link text here. And you can then also change the actual download link. So obviously you have to do that. So let's go ahead and change these 3 things right now in the next step. Here's the actual download link. Let's take care of this first. So we want to go ahead and upload the actual PDF. We're just going to use the WordPress upload function to do that. So click on this, and then we go back to our product folders here and grab from the actual ebook folder, grab the Write and Publish PDF. Okay, that's the actual PDF document that is going to be the download, linked as a download there. Okay, so all you do here is you just grab that link URL, grab the whole link URL, close this window, close this shadow box, and copy and paste that link right in here. Okay, bam, there. Now, on the target parameter here, you want to always change that to blank, otherwise it kind of catapults your people out of your members area, because the PDF is going to open in the same page as what they're looking at, and for download items that's not a good idea. That's not good. Okay, now the download item itself, we're just going to call that the title of the ebook. We shouldn't put any formatting in here, so let's get rid of that bold that we caught. And there you go, that's that. So when we update this now and update it here, see the text here changed, and now the link will actually open in a new window the PDF file that we just uploaded. Okay, so that part is done. Again, you could change this here, make it something, you know, more catchy, maybe another call to action to get started or something like that. But I'm going to leave that for now. I'm just going to leave it the way it is. Okay, now let's take a look at the side area here. It looks good enough the way it is, but I always like to spruce that up a little bit with the built-in graphic icons that are built into OptimizePress, and these are set in the membership general options. See right here, the members sidebar icon, we want to make this, in this case, a PDF icon, and we want to set this here to folder documents. That has a reason to, well, actually, let me walk one step at a time here. Let's fill this out first. There are 3 fields here: header, hyperlink, no, member sidebar title, member sidebar text, and membership sidebar nav title. These are the 3 items that we want to fill in here. Okay, so on the title, write and publish your own books. On the members sidebar text, we'll put this one again, the same as before, and the sidebar nav title, we're just going to put write and publish menu, and then we have the PDF icon there. So it's not going to change from the main page, but that's going to be good. It's going to make it look more consistent with the main page. Let's update that and refresh this page again. Here's the difference. Watch this area over here. See, we added the PDF icon, we added this here, and we added this short description here. Okay, and now this OptimizePress template has automatically created the navigation. You can go back to the main, to that product page. This is the main product page, and then you can click down to the download page right here. Again, these don't look all that different right now. Okay, and here is the second area that changes. See, this is another change that is affected by the settings of the child page, but it shows up on the parent page, because in the parent page we chose the module template, and the module template pulls in the certain settings from the child pages that we have to set up here. Okay, and then this is an active link to the child page, and you know, that's really all I would do. I would probably just change this. I would do this here. I would copy. All right, let's go back in here. I would change my mind on a couple of things because this doesn't look right. Let's see where we are. Let's change. All right, let's change mainly the main thing I want to change is I want to grab this member sidebar text here and also add that into the content description. So the content description, what that does is it will show up right below here, and you could put a bunch of stuff here if you wanted to make it real fancy. I really dislike in the way that people create membership and delivery areas. I dislike it when they just say, you know, video 1 or module 1, module 2, module 3, and you have no idea what this is about. You can see here if you had a fancier product where you have multiple modules that are attached to this here, this would be really helpful. That, you know, not only do you have the module title, the individual module title, but you also have a short description about what's in the module attached to this, and that's how you can use this when you set up, you know, fancier products. But this is pretty much done. So again, we have 2 pages. This is the actual download page. This opens the PDF. We have the product graphic here. We have a nice and fancy menu on this side. And there you go. There's your PLR product created and set up as a page or a couple of pages as, you know, valuable looking, high value content module type set up inside your members area here. Thanks a lot for watching, and this is Thomas Bartke, over and out.